Sick. What's up everyone? Welcome back to another video. As you can tell, I'm not in my usual spot today, and that's because I'm hitting the road. Alright, so I'm starting my photography road trip up the West Coast. I left Los Angeles yesterday, made it to my first destination here in Morro Bay. It's super windy out, so I hope it's not too bad on the mic. But we're gonna go for a little hike and I'll bring you along. If you guys watched my last video, you know that I teased at the end that I picked up a new camera, and this is it. This is the Bronica ETRS. This is a 645 medium format camera. I was really wanting to make the jump up to medium format, and I thought 645 would be a good option. Still gives me 15 shots per roll, so I'm still getting the most out of every roll. So okay, let's put the dark slide in before I accidentally fire off any frames. And the safety on. I'm getting better at this. So for this trip, I'm going to be shooting primarily with the Bronica ETRS, but I've also got my Nikon FM2 with me that I'm just going to kind of shoot with wherever and just kind of document the trip more so with that. This guy will be used more for specific locations that I'm out at, trying to document, and we'll be doing a lot of the heavy lifting. I'm planning to make quite a few videos from this trip that are photography focused, but since I'm shooting film, it takes a long time to develop the rolls, and I'm gonna be on the road. I don't know if I'm gonna get any of the rolls developed before I return from the trip, so I need some help from you guys in the meantime of kind of what type of content you want to see. All right, let's keep going up. There's a lot of bees up here. Oh God. All right, move the camera inside the truck just in case the wind noise is bad. So yeah, during the trip, I'm gonna be leaving out of my truck full time. I've got a Go Fast camper on the back of my 2007 Tacoma here. So the plan is to camp every single night, do a little bit of wild camping and probably some more established campgrounds. Let's see. So I've got quite a few boxes of film with me, so I think we're fully loaded for that aspect of it. Keeping them in the fridge, keep them nice and cool. All right, it's about 4 o'clock now, so I think I'm gonna make my way back to the campground, probably have an early dinner, and then go out for another round of photography tonight at Golden Hour. So let's hit the road. Just had a quick bite, and now I'm going to head over down to the pier area. There's a nice boardwalk in town, see what kind of golden hour shots we can get there, and also head over to Morro Rock and shoot some more scenes there for the rest of the night. First roll of the trip, Portra. Super peaceful out here. The ocean is just raging. A couple of people watching sunset. This is a great spot to do this for the first time. All right. Safety's off. That feels nice. You guys, I just made a big mistake. So, I was shooting Portra 800 last night. Didn't finish the roll. Lost the light early because of the clouds. So I still had like 10 shots left, or maybe like 8 shots left on that roll of Portra 800. I was gonna load up the second film roll with black and white quick, just to take some shots of Morro Rock right before I left. I went and got the film out of the little fridge, and then I set the camera down, set the other film back down, went and did something really quick, got the film out, undid it, and then when it came time to load it, I just instinctively picked up my camera with the Portra film back still on it and opened it. Oh no. Oh, I just exposed my Portra roll. Oh, I hadn't switched out the film backs yet. A, I might have lost all the shots from last night, which is a real bummer because there were some really nice golden hour ones in there. B, I think I just advanced the film like all the way to the end, so I just didn't get a chance to shoot the second roll or the second half of that roll. Oh, and damn, those Portra 800, that's expensive, dude. All right, well, now it's officially a film photography road trip because I just accidentally exposed my most expensive roll. Lesson learned. All right, got an easy Subway for lunch. So I need you guys' help. I really want to know what you guys would be interested in seeing while I'm out on the road right now, whether that's kind of behind the scenes, a little bit of how I travel or where I'm staying, how I find campgrounds. And then we'll be making the videos on the actual film photography and the shots that I get on film after that. I gotta head out to Big Sur. Hopefully I don't expose any more of my film rolls, and we'll catch you in the next one. Peace.